So today we're going to do side lying, and we're going to do the up and down kicks. So for your posture, or for your starting position in the side lying series, so basically any time we're on our side, what you want to be checking is that this top hip is directly above the bottom one. So a good way to tell that is at the knees. If you can just push your top one forward. If you find your top knee is hanging over, that means that the whole hip is rolling forward. Likewise, if that knee is behind, that means your hips are slightly back. So a good way to check is to make sure the knees are flush with each other. But your top hip bone, basically your pelvis is on the side, so you want your top hip bone above there. Your top shoulder is above the bottom shoulder. Now it depends on the flexibility of your shoulders. You can, if you want to, just take your arm up and put your cushion there, like that, but Paul has a bad shoulder, so, or you can take your hand and put it like that. So one thing to be mindful of is the neck alignment. So throughout Pilates, always remember you want a long spine. So what happens generally, some people want to look at their feet. So always making sure that this neck is in a straight line, so that basically you're looking ahead of you. And then your shoulders. So your hand can be in the front of you. If you find you can't reach or it's uncomfortable, you can pop a block underneath top hand. So if you straighten your top leg, for me please Paul, and we're going to do up and downs first. So as you take a breath in, no, just normal ones. So as you take a breath in, you're going to bring your leg up. Now what you want to focus on is not bringing the legs so high that this bone actually forces the hips to roll back, okay? So you only need to go as high as hip height or a little bit higher. Some people want to get their leg over their head, and then allow your leg to go down. I say inhale up, exhale down, but you can do whatever, it doesn't really matter. What you want to focus on is this keeping this belly button pulled in so that you're breathing through the rib cage. So inhale as you go up, and exhale as you go down. So the idea is that you are keeping your hips from rolling back and forth. So what Paul just asked me a second ago is, do I want him in turnout? So a really good way to work these side bum cheeks is to work in a turned out position, which means your leg is just the knees pointing up towards the ceiling. It really targets those bum muscles. But either way is fine. So inhale as you go up. Now what you need to be aware of is any tension in the shoulders or the neck. Sometimes they can get a bit stiff. So last one. Feel that in the bum side? Mm-hmm. And relax the leg down. So we're going to do one more. I just want to explain something. As you are bringing your leg up, I want you to think of lengthening this leg away from you so that you're pulling it out of your body. Your thigh muscles are working, the calves are working, so you're not just flapping the leg up and down. It's a positive movement. So that will do. So there's 3 moves in the side lying leg series. So we've done up and down, we're going to do the front and back one, and then there's circles. So the next video will be the front and back ones. See you then, bye!